And as an illustration to this, I may share with the committees that even last evening, we were looking at 2 case reports of allergic reactions. We know from the very extensive clinical trials that this wasn't a feature, but if we need to strengthen our advice, now that we've had this experience in the vulnerable populations, the groups who've been selected as a priority, we get that advice to the field immediately.
Dr. Raine talked about, identifying things once a vaccine is in use. The initial process, very importantly, picks up common side effects. That's what the big phase 2 and then subsequently, if they're safe, phase 3 clinical trials allow to happen. But extremely rare but important issues, inevitably you accrue more information over time. And the NHS, through to the MHRA, is in a very good position to make sure that we can pick things up quickly, identifying them, communicate them widely, ensure that we improve practice. So there's a backward-looking bit and a forward-looking bit for these vaccines, and they all depend on pre-existing systems. We know that these are very good vaccines to provide short to medium-term protection. We don't know how long that lasts. It might last for a very long time. It might last for 9 months. I think it's more likely to be somewhere between those two. And in that case, we may have to have a situation where we have to be in a position to revaccinate, particularly people who are the most vulnerable. So I think all of these we'll have to think about as the information comes out on length of effect, efficacy, safety, and so on, and which vaccines best suit which people.